And the fourth stanza, he is learning well behind his desperate eyes this epistemology of loss, how to stand up, knowing what every man must one day know, and most know many days how to stand up. This small incident has taught the boy many things. The small incident, that means the loss of his old ball, to the boy it was very precious. But at this moment, this incident, the loss of his ball, it has taught him a lot. Now he can understand the value of life. This epistemology, that means that understanding, value, meaning. Epistemology means the value or meaning or the meaningful life, rationality or rationalism from this small incident. After the loss of the ball, he can understand the epistemology of loss, how to stand up. Now the boy thinks, I have to be firm, I have to stand firmly and face the situation with courage and boldness, knowing what even man must one day know. Every man faces this situation, and every man realizes after facing this situation. Maybe man becomes nostalgic, but he keeps that nostalgia behind and he goes ahead. He carries on his life because the show must go on. We have to face lot of hindrances, lot of obstacles in our life. So it is useless to think about what we have left behind, what we have left behind those, or that was so precious. Maybe, definitely it was precious, but if we sustain with that phenomena, we won't be able to stand up, we won't be able to face any difficult situations in life, and most know many days how to stand up. Most of the people, they have learned from examples. These are all the sort of examples or examinations before us. So we have to face it and we have to overcome the situation accordingly, and we have to stand firm. So guys, here the ball is symbolic. Ball is symbolic. That means ball means the life. And through the symbol, that means the ball symbol, the poet has conveyed the message to us that today, when I started this chapter, I told you that I am not going to tell you the theme or the central idea or critical appreciation of the poem. Only I will tell you the summary of the poem or what is the content of the poem. So already stanza wise, 4 stanza, I have told you the content of the poem. So guys, on the basis of today's lesson or lecture, open your notebook. It is already open before you, and you note down 5 words on the basis of the poem. 5 words you note down. Ball poem. And find out the meaning of the poem from dictionary, from mobile, hard copy, from mobile, from wherever you like. So note down 5 words and search the meaning of the words. First, Merrily, M-E-R-R-I-L-Y, merrily. Shaking, grief, one word, shaking grief, S-H-A-K-I-N-G-G-R-I-E-F. Third, harbor, H-A-R-B-O-U-R, harbor. Fourth, intrude, I-N-T-R, R for red, I-N-T-R-U-D-E, intrude. 5. Epistemology. I have already told you the spelling, so I am not repeating it. Epistemology. So guys, note down 5 questions. Question number 1. Why the boy is standing in a state of grief? Why the boy is standing in a state of grief? Question 2. What boy is thinking? What boy is thinking at this very moment? 3. What is the boy's first responsibility? What is the boy's first responsibility? 4. This is the quote from the poem. Students, those who have book, you can put bracket. Those who don't have, I have already read the poem before you. And once again you note it down. And no one buys, means purchase, B-U-Y-S. And no one buys a ball back. Money is external, within inverted comma. And no one buys